Eilik, are you ready to battle another robot?
I don't fight robots.
Angry, my name is Eilik, not Eilik, not Eilik. I protect. I do not duel robot. That is not my purpose.
I'm just gonna assume you guys are both ready. Let's get into this. Which AI robot is better? Eilik with his AI base or Eiliko, his little brother? Well, in today's video, I'm gonna be pitting them against each other in 6 main tests, and by the end of this, we will see which robot comes out on top. Let's kick this video off with design and function. Now, if you saw my full robot ranking video last week, you'll know that since Eilik and Eiliko come from the same exact company called Energize Labs, their design is very similar. Same colors and overall design aesthetic, where the color changing lights on Eiliko's base are super cool. Eiliko also has super cool color changing lights, but just in his eyes when he's in listening mode. There are also accessories that can change this for both robots, but we'll get to that in a later category. Now, both bots function well in pairs of the same robot. For example, Eilik can interact with other Eiliks, and Eiliko can interact with other Eilikos. By the way, I'm gonna mispronounce these all throughout this video because sometimes I call him Eilik, sometimes I call him Eilik. It's very confusing in my brain. Overall, Eiliko is made to be portable and more of an on-the-go robot that's like a bag charm, and Eilik is designed more for your desk and is obviously stationary. So this first category really comes down to how the purchaser, you of these robot pets, is going to interact with them individually. So neither really detracts or adds from which robot is better. And because of that, I gotta give them a tie for this first category. Good job, guys. Okay, next category up is games. Now, this category has a pretty obvious winner, and if you own one or both of these, you're already gonna know the outcome of this battle. Starting with Eilik. He has a good amount of games, including a countdown, a Pomodoro timer, and other games like Talking Toy, Monster Shooter, fishing game, dance to music, and Eilik Party. So, a good amount to choose from. And then there's Eiliko, which is much simpler. It has the left or right game, as well as Dancing to the Beat, which is a game, plus holiday themed shows, which I guess could be counted as a game or slash feature. Either way, Eiliko is much more focused on being a wearable robot pet friend charm than a robot with, lots of games. So, if games are a priority for you, and they are a priority for this category, Eilik is the clear winner here. Next category on our list is accessories, and this is hard to decide on between the bots because both come with some pretty cool accessories. Starting with Eiliko. You can buy interchangeable bodies and create new personalities and overall looks. Things like a cowboy, a dinosaur, a zombie, a vampire Dracula thing, and even a Santa. On top of that, each interchangeable body you use actually changes the animations and behavior you get out of your Eiliko, which is pretty dope. And then there's Eilik. It has its own accessory lineup too. You've got animal backpacks, you've got crochet collars, you've got outfit sets, you've got cowboy hats, you've got so much other stuff on the Energize Lab website that you can get for this little dude. And then there's the Eilik DQ, which is kind of its own thing. It's a special edition version that comes with an exclusive monster shooting game that the standard Eilik just doesn't have. And while this is pretty cool, I still don't think it's quite as cool as Eiliko's interchangeable bodies, especially since they actually affect the way that he acts and talks. So for this category, I'm gonna have to give it to Eiliko. Next on our list is battery. Battery. Actually, I should have said, my battery. That's a dumb joke.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
As far as battery life goes, this one plays out a little differently than you might expect. Eiliko has a 400 mAh battery, giving you about 2.5 hours of continuous use and charges in around 40 minutes via USB-C, which is pretty good for a portable robot you're gonna be clipping to your bag. Now, Eilik with the AI station though is a totally different story because the AI station is designed to sit on your desk plugged into constant power. So battery life essentially isn't a concern at all for that setup. Eilik just docks into the station and runs continuously as long as it's plugged in. So honestly, this category depends on what you value. If you need portability, portability, Eiliko wins battery-wise because it's got a battery when this is off its AI dock. But if you're a desk setup person and don't care about taking your robot on the go, Eilik with the AI station basically eliminates the battery question entirely. So how do I judge this? You know what? I'm just gonna give him a tie because it's really up to how you use these robots. Next category up on our list is probably one of the most important ones, which is conversation and prompting. So this category is actually way more interesting when you factor in the Eilik AI station because, as we've stated, on its own, Eilik has 0 conversational abilities. But pair it with the AI station and it becomes a totally different AI robot, or an AI robot. When the AI station is docked, Eilik can have full AI-powered conversations with you, talking about the weather, random facts, basically anything you want to chat about, and also gets a built-in camera so it can actually see objects you show it, recognizing your face, greeting you by name, and even using hand gesture detection for games. And it'll proactively start conversations on its own if you've been quiet for a while, which is pretty dope. It can also sometimes be annoying if left on while you're working, which is what I've experienced, but still cool. Eiliko, on the other hand, has AI conversation built right in with no extra AI station purchase needed. It connects via Wi-Fi, uses ChatGPT, and can hold context-aware back and forth conversations. It also has over 10 offline voice commands for when you don't have Wi-Fi. So here's the thing. Both robots hold real AI conversations, but the way you get there is very different. Eiliko has it built in out of the box, while Eilik requires the AI station as a separate add-on. But the AI station also gives Eilik something Eiliko doesn't have at all, which is that camera with face and object recognition, which is honestly pretty awesome for a robot at this price point, which we will get to pricing later on. So this one really comes down to what matters more to you. Convenience and portability with Eiliko, or more features and a better AI experience, I guess, with Eilik plus the AI station. I guess for this versus battle though, I'm gonna have to give it to Eilik with its AI station because it does more. All right, moving on. All right, last category, but certainly not least, is price. Which, as I've talked about with Eiliko, you just have to buy the robot, but with Eilik, if you want all of the features I've mentioned in this video so far, you have to buy the AI station. So with that being said, here's how the prices break down here in April of 2026, which, by the way, I have everything I'm about to talk about linked below in the description. So Eilik by himself with no AI station costs $139.99 on Amazon. Eilik's AI station base is gonna run you another $99.99, and currently can only be bought through EnergizeLab.com. You would definitely sell more by making a bundle deal. But anyways, so that's Eilik's pricing. Now, Eiliko is much cheaper at $59.90 on Amazon. And then if you want to buy some extra bodies to change its appearance and personality, that'll run you another like $60-ish for those body packs. So, all in all, pretty sure we know who wins. It's Eiliko. I guess we've got a tie. I don't know how this always happens in a lot of these videos.
Your script sucks.
You little...
That means it really comes down to you and your preferences for a pet robot companion. Having said that, I would love to know which one you like better, and let me know down in the comments which one you do. Now, I will leave links to both of these robots and their accessories below, and if you buy through Amazon and through these affiliate links, that helps me out here on the channel and makes it so I can keep Eric's Tech World up and running and showing you the latest robots and tech and do comparison videos like this video. Huge shout out to both Eilik and Eiliko, or Eilik and Eiliko, for joining me in this video. And by the way, another way to help out this channel is hitting that subscribe button and turning on notifications, liking this video, and all that stuff every YouTuber and their mom always says. But it really does help. I'm gonna leave a video right up here that YouTube thinks that you're really gonna like for my channel. I'm Eric, this is Eric's Tech World, where tech and adventure meet. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, nerds.